An extremist is a closed-minded individual who is characterized by the inability to accept any other opinion other than their own, restricting him or herself in an environment of indoctrination and brainwashing. Their analysis of religious sentimental issues is narrow, as they usually see it from one angle. They think their version of Islam is the absolute right version, and all other versions are false and misguided. How to recognize an extremist? He or she adopts extreme ideas and beliefs that are far from the values, norms, and behaviors of a stable society. They are quick to accuse others of religious infidelity and misguidance. They accuse governments and security personnel of being infidels, and they endorse killing them. They criticize scientists and categorize them as infidels. They abandon mosques. They show joy and pleasure for terrorist operations of extremist groups. They direct their extremism mostly towards their own families. They feel alienated. Their appearance is eccentric and different than social norms. They neglect their studies and/or work and isolate themselves from family and friends. They rush to criticize others, to label others, and to describe those who oppose them with the worst accusations. They undermine those who oppose them with expletives and offensive language. They attempt to challenge Islam's tolerance and mercy towards other people, and how Islam is lenient, compassionate, and rational with others.